Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to download the movies from Fandango. So if you want to download the movies from Fandango but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end. If you want to download the movies on Fandango on your phone, make sure that you have installed the app. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, you just need to open the Fandango app. So to download the movie from Fandango, you just need to install the Voodoo app. Voodoo is an app which is connected with Fandango and it helps you to download the movies from it. So simply open App Store on your device and you may simply install the app called Voodoo, VUDU. So click on the option of Voodoo. So it is not currently available in my location. So if you find the app on your location, you may simply install the app and you may simply sign into your Fandango account in the Voodoo app, and you just need to click on the option of My Library, and this shows all the movie which you have downloaded, or this shows all the rented movie which is available on Voodoo. And from there you just need to select the movie which you want to download. So from there you just need to click on the option of download, and it is only available for the purchase movie or rental within the rental period. So you may simply download the movie from the Fandango app like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.